Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a recent murder. And I'm not going to use the headline that they're using because quite frankly, no one knows if this man are a leader or not. They will spread propaganda on people. But I digressed. It says, members of the security force are maintaining a strong presence in Greenwich Town, St. Andrew, following the shooting death of two men in separate incidents on West Avenue on Monday. Among dead is an influential community member, 53-year-old Christopher Palmer, who was gunned down meters from his gate about 11 a.m. According to police, Palmer, otherwise called Bagga, was standing in a roadway when a motor car drove up and the occupants opened gunfire, hitting him several times. His common-law wife and her partner's murder marked the end of a 30-year union. Wow. So they've been together for 30 years. That's what's up. That's what's up. It's a little over 30 years we're together and we have 3 children together. He was the nicest person me ever know and he was a peacemaker. Me in my house and me hear the shot them, me just run and ball because me know say he was in the direction where the shot them a fire. When me look, me see people are run come at the road and say him dead shit. As she showed the news team photographs of her late partner, the couple's 10-year-old daughter cried and had to be comforted by her brother, who remembered his father as a confidant. He was the best father ever. He was more than a father, more like a brother. I could talk to him about anything. He loved his family with all his heart. Pointing to a bullet hole in the wall on the veranda, Palmer's common-law wife said that Monday was not the first time that her partner had been targeted by gunmen. It's just about 3 months ago when them fire shot after me and him, but none of we never get shot. He was also shot and injured several years ago. Bagga was a man of order and no rape or robbery couldn't go on around here, she said. Another resident chimed in stating that he is worried that the killing of Palmer could be the death of a peace treaty that existed in the community for years. A good while peace a go on, I mean all that done with no. Well respected man and him didn't deserve that. Them just kill him because them want danmanship, the resident said. Just hours after Palmer's demise, his neighbor Andrew Brandy Robinson suffered a similar fate. The 43-year-old, who is of unsound mind, was shot and killed by unknown assailants close to the spot where Palmer was murdered on Monday night. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that about 11:05 p.m. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you think there is going to be peace in this community since the so-called Don was killed. I honestly don't think there's going to be any peace, and there need to be some precautionary measures that are put into place, like there needs to be police securing that neighborhood, because we know some retaliation is going to go on and it's not going to be looking good. You see all the headlines that have been coming out of Jamaica has been nothing but murders, and more murders. Like, it's crazy the amount of persons that have been murdered recently in Jamaica, in that one small island. So comment what your thoughts are. Said 2019 was pum pum power year, 2019 and for the woman them. 2019 is for the ladies in the music industry if it come out and step into stardom and spotlight, and that's exactly what they're doing. And in today's video is going to be featuring Vanessa Bling, and it says, Jamaica entertainer Vanessa Bling has been enjoying chart success lately, with her 3rd EP, Still Standing, re-entering the reggae album Billboard chart after peaking at number 3 when released last summer. The independent lady singer is also featured on American singer Romity Walk With Me EP, which debuted at number 1 on the R&B iTunes chart last Friday. Speaking to the Gleaner, she revealed that the song was recorded in New York last year, and she was pleasantly surprised that it was used as a part of the project. We linked up at the studio, and I thought it was just going to be a regular single. As you hear the song, you notice I went very raw and kept it authentic and Jamaican, so I didn't even know he was going to use it on his album, and that goes to show you that you can stay authentic to your Jamaican roots and still get featured internationally. Big up yourself, Vanessa Bling. Big up to Vanessa Bling, but she dropped a bit of shade right there for Shenseea. As you guys know, a lot of people have been saying that Shenseea will do anything for fame and attention, and that's exactly what she did. Boom, drop the shade. The whole stunt that she pulled with the female in the bed and posted the pictures on there with her video featuring Tyga is what people were talking about. Do you think that she was doing too much? Do you think that Vanessa Bling threw a bit of shade Shenseea's way? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section below. When I got the call that the song that we did is the only collaboration they are using on the album, I was so grateful. Then the album automatically went #1 after. I'm just really grateful to be a part of that. Bling said she first encountered the Stars Power actor after performing at an event in New York last year, and the two later exchanged words at another event in Atlanta. Walk With Me explores Romity Nigerian roots and is heavily infused with Afrobeat, R&B, dancehall, and island pop sounds. It currently sits at #2 on the R&B iTunes chart, behind Khaled's Free Spirit. Push Button Start comes at a time when more local acts are increasingly teaming up with American artists for hybrids numbers, the latest being Shenseea and Tyga on the single Blessed. Bling did not dismiss the idea of dancehall taking a more commercial sound and turn, but did highlight that collaborating with international artists is not new in the dancehall reggae space. It has been around for a long time. When you look at artists like Sean Paul, Shaggy, and Vybz Kartel, all of them do it before, so it's just up to us to continue doing great music and stop acting crazy. Stop doing unnecessary stuff for attention, just focus on doing music, she said. International artists really love Jamaica, so all we got to do is be ourselves. We don't have to do anything extra because them love Jamaicans. Just do good music, someone will recognize it. She prides herself on being a lover of her craft and never a leech for fame, which is supported by her longevity in the business. She emerged as a Gaza Slim almost a decade ago and has built a repertoire solid enough to make her the only female performer at Sunday's Best of the Best concert in Miami, Florida. For Bling, her strides are consistent because of her humility and work ethic. I always tell people I work in silence and I always remain humble. Do my thing. Trust God and let him work, she said. I'm not here for the fame or hype. I'm here to do music so you can love it and your great grandkids can love it. Vanessa Bling is doing a lot of great things, but I guess because Vanessa is not in the hype, most people not going to run with it. But it's okay. I'll continue to let my work speak for me because we're in it for the long haul. So big up to Vanessa Bling. Keep doing your thing, mama. Keep staying humble and keep being who you are and making it about music. It's appreciated. It's well noted. And we see you. Okay? We see you. Don't think we don't see you. We see you. Okay? A lot of artists get signed to international labels and they get shelved. They sign to international record labels and nothing happens. The songs that they put out don't do good. Cranium is a prime example. Sorry, not sorry. You get signed to big record labels and then shelf you. It's just the business. But you gotta know who you are and you gotta stay solid at all times. Big up to Vanessa Bling, keep doing your thing, and we hope to see many more chart toppers from you this year. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me you think Vanessa Bling is coming back for her spot in the dancehall fraternity. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.